In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Slack app in just 5 minutes. We'll walk through each step carefully and get you up and running with your own app in no time. So let's get started. To begin, make your way over to Slack's official website. Slack is a powerful tool for managing workflows and improving team productivity, and building your custom app can enhance these functionalities. Once you're on the site, the next thing you'll need to do is sign in. To make things seamless, you can choose to sign in using Google. It's a straightforward option that syncs smoothly with your Google account, making the process quicker if you're already logged in elsewhere. With access granted, head to the Slack dashboard. This is your control center within Slack, and it's where you can manage different operations and functionalities. Finding your profile here is as easy as pie. Click on it to proceed. Once you've got your profile up, look for the Tools and Settings option. It's packed with some powerful customization capabilities that you'll want to dive into at some point. In Tools and Settings, click on Billing. Here you can see your current plan, and it's always good to know what features are available to you, especially when building something new like an app. After getting a good look at your billing details, it's time to focus on your account specifics. Click on Account and Profile to check or modify personal and billing information relevant to your Slack usage. This part is crucial for ensuring everything aligns with how you want the app in connection with your profile settings. As we continue, it's time to explore the Other section. This area contains a variety of settings and features that don't fit into the standard categories, and within it is the key to accessing the necessary developer tools. Click on API next. This is an important step. The Slack API section is where you'll tap into developer capabilities. Here you can create custom apps, providing your team with tailored functionalities that aren't out of the box. From the API page, direct your attention to your apps. This section houses any apps you've previously created or are currently managing. You'll want to click on it, and the option to create a new app should be right here. Finally, click on Create an App. You'll be prompted to enter information about your app, such as its name and workspace, and just like that, you are on your way to crafting a unique Slack app tailored to your team's needs. With these steps, you've just unlocked a new level of customization and functionality in Slack. Now go ahead and explore the possibilities, experiment with features, and give your teamwork a boost with your freshly minted Slack app. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to revisit these steps anytime to refine your skills. Happy developing.